Hey guys, how are you? This is my YouTube. So here I'm going to explain how I did a kidney transplant and got $1 million. So ngiyacela, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, and hit that notification button. But please make sure you subscribe, because if you subscribe, you encourage me to do more content. So please subscribe. Okay, so guys, if you want to donate your kidneys, you have to register with the right hospital. You have to sign a bill stating that you agree that you want your kidney to be removed, because a person has two kidneys, so you agree that you have to sell the other kidney and you will survive, but chances are you might not survive, but the doctors check if you're eligibly enough. And you should not be scared, and you sign that document, then you then go and do that kidney transplant or so they just take you out. The procedure is about like 1 hour in theater, so it can be draining. Melodle before the before going to before cleanse abafethu. So mele udle, then guys, but it's not that painful. Imali yesu uyayithola. So bafethu ngicathi lo, but okunye ngisazophendula, ngiyacela nisubscribe and like video. Please subscribe. Thank you so much.